This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn functions of date and month in Microsoft Excel. So you can see that we have a table with two different columns like date and month, and now we're going to see that how these two functions are performed in Excel. First we will use the date function in the date column. So for this we have two different built-in functions provided by Excel. The first one is called today. So for that we will type an equal to sign in the formula bar in this cell B5, and we'll type the function name today and put opening and closing parentheses and press the enter key. So here you can see that it has provided us the today's date, which is today is the 3rd May of 2021, and it has provided us the current date. And if we want to see the time of with this date function, then we can right click on this cell and go to the format cells, and from here you can see that we have in the category date you can see multiple types. So whatever you want to insert you can use from here, and from here I want to use this one with the time. This one I'm going to use for my date function, and you can see that it gives us this format, like it gives us the month first. The 5 is the month of May, 3rd is the date, and 2021 is the year, and 0 and colon 00 is the time. But since I would like to show the current time, so I will change the function from today to now. So the built-in function is now, and we'll press the enter key. So here you can see that it gives us the time, the current time as well. With the help of the function now, it gives us the current time, which is, and now it's 9:50 p.m. But if you want to change the format, you can go to the format cells and you can change the time format right from here, and you can see the different time format, like now it's 9:50 p.m. Likewise, if you want to know which month contains the cell B5, like this cell, in this cell you can see it contains the month 5, which is the month of May. So if you want to show the month from this cell B5, then you can use the month function. And how does it work? Let's see. First we will put an equal to sign in the formula bar, and we'll type the name of the function, which is month, and you can see the definition of it, which is that it returns the month and number from 1 January to 12 December. Like if I want to see, I want to show the month from this cell, whatever it contains, then I can use the function month. And if I put an opening parenthesis, it asks me to enter the serial number. So the serial number I'm going to give over here will be the cell reference, which is B5, because I want to see which month has been discussed in this B5 cell. So I will type B5 cell reference, put a closing parenthesis, and press the enter key. So viewers, you can see that it gives me the name or the month number, which is the 5th month of May. And if I want to see it's like if I put 2 quotation marks, then it's asks me to give me the correct serial number right over here. And if I want to change the format cells, I can go to the general, and here you can see that the sample is 5. General format gives you the specific number format. And if I go to the text and go to the date function, there are multiple options are there. Since if you go to the custom format, then here you can apply different date format right from here. From here you can select the format, like this one, general, and it gives you the month number, which is the number 5, the month of May. Another function for displaying the date in Microsoft Excel is you can type date and it's the name of the function, put an opening parenthesis like this, and then you can see that it asks you to enter the year, comma, month, comma, day. So first we will type the year, which is 2021 is the year, and now it asks you to enter the month. The month is 5th, the month of May, and today is 3rd May. So I will type 3 as a day and put an closing parenthesis and we'll press the enter key. So viewers, you can see that it gives me the complete year, the date format. But if I don't want to see the date right from here, then I can always right click this cell and go to the format cells and will unselect this option, and I would preferably using the this function. This is the most frequent format I use in my date displaying in the Microsoft Excel. I always like to use this sample, this category of the date. So I will select this one and it shows us the correct. So by using the date formula, date format, date function, you can first put the year, then comma, then put the month, and then put a comma, and then you can put the date of like today is the 3rd of May, so I put 3 as a day, and it shows you the day format. So that's all. Thanks for watching.